Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen on VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200-plus page research document about everything related to every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time explaining stuff you don't care about, or dragging it out just to hit 15 minutes, I'm just going to straight up tell you which VPNs are the best for Sling Freestream right now, and a few key things about each, so you can pick one and get on with your day. And for nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description to grab my full research doc, totally free to read whenever you want this year. No joke. All right, let's dive in. Top 3 VPN services for Sling Freestream and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best for Sling Freestream. Why? It works flawlessly with Sling Freestream's streaming platform. That's super important. Speed? It's literally one of the fastest I tested. Low buffering times, no connectivity issues, smooth playback, plus strong download and upload speeds. Features? It has more features than any other. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's there. Pricing and support? Affordable for what it offers, and support is top-notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, that's a fact. Encryption? They use the best tech available. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and relatively cheap for what you get. Negatives? Just a 10-device limit. Second best VPN for Sling Freestream is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN made for pure streaming performance. Speed? Incredibly fast, consistently low buffering, no lag spikes, no interruptions, just smooth streaming. Features? It has all the essentials and then some. A reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is awesome if you want to route only Sling Freestream through the VPN, or the opposite. Pricing and support? One of the best bang for your buck VPNs out there. Usually cheaper than competitors, but still top-tier performance. Support is fast and helpful. Do they keep logs? No, they don't. They have an independently audited no logs policy. Encryption? Best tech out there. AES 256. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy geeks nervous. But the no logs audit checks out. Also, their server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, and secure set it and forget it VPN. Perfect for uninterrupted Sling Freestream and great value. Third best VPN for Sling Freestream, private internet access, aka PIA. Why? It offers a massive server network and the most customization on this list. Speed? Very good. That huge server network means you can almost always find a fast, uncrowded server near you for perfect streaming. Features? It's packed. Kill switch, great ad blocker, and the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support? Almost always the cheapest premium option on this list. Support is solid and professional. Do they keep logs? No way. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Best tech available, and it's customizable. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US based, and the app isn't as clean or polished as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best pick if you're on a budget but still want a huge network and advanced features for Sling Freestream. And that's it. My top 3 picks for Sling Freestream: NordVPN, IPVanish, and private internet access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one just based on the logo or color, you'll be more than fine. They just work perfectly with Sling Freestream. Quick recap before we go, if you're still unsure. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall, a premium experience with tons of features and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it Sling Freestream VPN that gives amazing value. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a massive server network and tons of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped my exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can grab the best prices available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one, and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.